Bangladesh, one of the world's top garment exporters, has built its economy around the ready-made garments industry. But how did it all begin? And what made Bangladesh a global leader in fashion exports? Let's dive into the fascinating history of the Bangladesh RMG industry. Early beginnings, the 1970s. The journey started in 1978 when Desh Garments, in partnership with South Korea's Daewoo, trained 130 workers to establish the first large-scale garment factory. The industry took off with support from the Multi-Fiber Arrangement, MFA, which allowed Bangladesh to export garments to Western countries without heavy restrictions. This was just the beginning, but the potential was huge. Low labor costs and a growing workforce set the foundation for the RMG boom. The growth phase, 1980s to 2000s. Visuals, factories expanding, workers sewing, export data rising. The 1980s and 1990s saw rapid expansion, with thousands of factories emerging across the country. By the early 2000s, Bangladesh became a key supplier to top global brands like H&M, Zara, Walmart, and Gap. The removal of MFA quotas in 2005 forced Bangladesh to compete globally, leading to investments in efficiency and production capacity. Bangladesh was no longer just another exporter. It was becoming a powerhouse in global apparel manufacturing. Challenges and transformation, 2010s. Visuals, Rana Plaza collapse, worker protests, factory safety measures. The Rana Plaza tragedy in 2013 was a wake-up call, exposing poor safety conditions in many factories. The disaster led to global reforms, including the Accord on Fire and Building Safety, and the Alliance for Bangladesh Worker Safety. Today, Bangladesh has the highest number of LEED-certified green garment factories in the world. Despite challenges, Bangladesh transformed its industry with better safety standards and sustainable production methods. The present and future, 2020s and beyond. Visuals, modern factories, automation, eco-friendly textiles, export growth graphs. Bangladesh is now the world's second-largest garment exporter, contributing over 80% of total exports. The industry is shifting toward automation, digitalization, and sustainable textiles. Future goals? $100 billion in garment exports by 2030, and expanding into technical textiles and high-value fashion.